Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to use an iPad for basic productivity. In this video, I'll show you some tips and tricks to make the most of your iPad for everyday tasks. First things first, let's talk about home screen. The home screen is where you can access all your apps. But did you know that you can organize your apps into folders? To create a folder, simply tap and hold an app until it starts to jiggle. Then drag it on top of another app to create a folder. You can name the folder whatever you like and add more apps to it by dragging them onto the folder. Next, let's talk about multitasking. With the iPad, you can work on multiple apps at the same time, which can be especially helpful for productivity. To open two apps simultaneously, open first app and then tap on three dots at the top of the screen. This opens a menu. If you tap on the full screen, you will use just this app. But you can tap split view and choose another app you'd like to work on. Or you can tap slide over and then use the one app on the whole screen and the other one just hovering over. Another great feature of the iPad is the ability to use Apple Pencil. The Apple Pencil is a great tool for taking notes, drawing, or annotating documents. To use the Apple Pencil, simply tap it on the screen to wake up your iPad. This opens the Apple Notes app. Then start writing or drawing. You can buy replacements for Apple Pencil, but unfortunately none of them will be as good as the original. If you need to type out a document, the iPad has a built-in keyboard that you can use. You can access the keyboard by tapping on a text field such as a note-taking app or a web browser. If you need to type quickly, you can use the Quick Type keyboard, which suggests words as you type. The great advantage is to have an Apple Magic keyboard, which I highly recommend. If you are on a budget, you can get a second-hand one or buy a great replacement from Logitech. Finally, let's talk about Siri. Siri is a virtual assistant that can help you with a variety of tasks, such as setting reminders, sending messages, or making phone calls. To activate Siri, simply say, "Hey Siri," or press and hold the home button or lock button on the newer models. You can then ask Siri to perform a task or answer a question. And that's it. These are just few tips and tricks to help you get started with using your iPad for basic productivity. With a little practice, you'll be able to get even more done with your iPad. Thanks for watching. Bye bye!